Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm the Tech Teacher, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to enable or disable microphone access in your Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. First, you click on the Start button on your taskbar. You click on Settings or search for Settings in the search bar. On the left menu, you click on Privacy and Security. You scroll down and click on Microphone. As you can see over here, you can enable and disable microphone access, and you can do same for individual applications, as you can see below. So you can either choose to enable or disable microphone for your camera, for Copilot, Feedback Hub, Microsoft 365 Copilot, and many more. That's it for this tutorial. If you think this video was helpful, do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next one. I'm out.